to another reaction video, y'all. It's your boy Cam, back at it again with another reaction video, y'all. If you're not a part of the Cam fam, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button because it's going up to 21. Yeah, today we're reacting to my girl Diana. I have no idea how to say this, and I know I'm gonna get somebody in the comment section saying, "Of course we know you can't say it, Cam did." But anyways, you guys, let me know how to say this in the comment section below. But yeah, let's hop into the video. You know, anyways, you guys, I'll tell you a story at the end of the video. Oh, this is a more recent performance. Oh, okay.
Наша творческая жизнь. Все это в первую очередь благодаря вам, потому что пока вы желаете и хотите ходить на концерты, никто и ничто не запретит этого делать. Я уверен.
I didn't know that people were still doing performances. Being completely honest with you guys. That was really beautiful, you guys. This is a more recent performance, you guys, and I really enjoyed this one. I really liked this one. I thought the duet was actually pretty good, you guys. I think she was the standout, obviously, you guys. I honestly think it's hard for anybody to do a duet. I think her and Dimash, I think that would be really cool to see if they ever do a duet together or if they ever do a performance together. I think that it'd be pretty amazing, but that's just my personal opinion. I honestly think she's super talented, you guys. I really hope that she gets more notoriety, and I hope that more people get to know her music and her talent. Because like I said, I really think that she's super rare, and I think that her being so young, that she has so much room to grow and be even better, which is even scarier, you guys. Like I said, I can't imagine her 3-4 years from now. I can't, man. I honestly can't. Like, if you go back to look at Damash's like singing ability 4 or 5 years ago, he was really good, you guys. But I'm telling you now, right now, Damash is in his prime. My guy is absolutely amazing, and I think that Diana is going to be the same way, in my personal opinion, guys. Let me know how you feel about her in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this performance. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. We are on the road to 7,000 subscribers. So if you haven't joined the Camp Fam yet, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. But yeah, y'all, I'ma catch you in the next video. Peace.